Good morning, friends. I'm CV Sharma back with another video. Here is another problem. A particle moves according to the equation x is equal to 2t square minus 5t plus 6. Find the average velocity in the first 3 seconds and velocity at 3 seconds. See, when you see at 3 seconds, that means instantaneous. When you see this word, that is instantaneous. So that is instantaneous velocity when you see this word, especially. In the first 3 seconds refers to 0 to 3 seconds. Initial time will be always 0 in general. So initial time is 0 and then up to 3 seconds you have to find. And now let us see the workout. And the workout is pretty much here. Let us see how the workout will be done. And now let us see the solution. So what we do is the calculation goes like this. What is the displacement in 3 seconds? So in the given equation, we'll substitute t is equal to 3 first. T is equal to 3 seconds. Let us substitute. Then you will get 2 into 3 square, 2t square. So this is the equation. X of t is equal to 2t square minus 5t plus 6. You will substitute t is equal to 3 seconds within this equation. So when you substitute, this is what you get. And the calculation gives us about 6. So this is what it gives. So you can see this. This is 9 to 18 minus 15 plus 6. This is what we get. So there is some trouble, I think. Yes, of course. 9 to 18 minus 5 3 is 15 plus 6. That is about 9 meters. So this is not 6. This is 9 actually. 9 meters. Now you have the x of 0. This is they coupled everything, I think. This is 9 up to here. And now you have what is the next part is what you have to find it is. So here the first part is about this gives us 9 meters. The second part is x of 0. So when you substitute 0 in this equation, 2t square minus 5t plus 6. At t is equal to 0, you get x of 0 as 6. So this is x of 3. And now I want to find what is the V average. V average is the net displacement. Net displacement is displacement for 3 seconds minus displacement at 0 seconds. So displacement at 3 seconds is 9. Displacement at 0 seconds is 6. Divided by the time 3 minus 0. That is the time interval. T is equal to 3 seconds to t is equal to 3 seconds to t is equal to 0 seconds, right? 0 seconds to 3 seconds. That is the width of the time, 0 to 3 seconds. So between 0 to 3 seconds, the time interval is 3 seconds you have. So t2 minus t1. So that is 3 minus 0. That is 3. So 3 by 3 is 1 meter second inverse. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 by 3 can be cancelled out to get 1 meter second inverse. And now instantaneous. How? To do the instantaneous, always remember you have to find the derivative, dx by dt. This is the instantaneous. Instantaneous situation is the situation where you are finding the velocity at that particular time instant. So this is instantaneous is situation finding velocity at that particular time instant. Finding velocity at that particular time instant. So when you substitute t is equal to 3, take a derivative of this. If you take the derivative, you get 4t minus 5. In that t is equal to 3 seconds. That is 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 5, which is 7. So 7 meters second inverse. So hence the problem. Still further, if you have any doubts, you can reckon back to me. This is a very easy problem. Now that's it for this video, and thank you all. Thanks for watching the video, and please do like, subscribe, share, and thank you all.